Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can respond to incoming calls with a text on the iPhone. So this is just a regular scenario, and let me just call myself from another device in here. So as you can see, I have a call. I have a set of buttons to accept it or decline it, but when I expand it like this, you can see I get to see more options, and one of them is the message. So when I click on message like that, you can see that it kind of disappeared already because it went to the voicemail. But let me quickly do it again. So again, I click in here, tap on messages, and I can either use any of these texts like, can I call you later, I'm on my way, or type in a custom one like, hey, I can't talk, or whatever, right? And that's how we can respond to the phone call with a text message. So that is generally how it works. Whenever you receive a call, you always look for the button to reply with a message, and it also kind of depends if it's a FaceTime call or a regular phone call through cellular connection, but that is essentially how it works. So you go to the incoming call page, find the message, and then you can reply to it. So that's how it works. Let me know if it worked the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.